Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using just the meeting ID. Quick and simple for 2025. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or go to teams.microsoft.com in your browser. On the homepage, click Join or Create a Meeting. You'll see an option that says Enter Meeting ID. Click on it. Type in the meeting ID received from the host. Then enter the passcode if there's one provided. Click Join Meeting and wait a few seconds while Teams connects you. If prompted, allow access to your camera and microphone so others can see and hear you. Once connected, you'll enter the meeting lobby or join directly if the host has already started. And that's how you join a Microsoft Teams meeting by Meeting ID. Fast, easy, and perfect for both work and school in 2025.